Dun, 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 dun. Another one bites the dust. And another one's down. Another one's down. Another one bites the dust. So another candidate has dropped out. This time it is Louisiana Governor Bobby Jindal. He's calling it quits. And, you know, it's not a surprise, of course. I don't think he ever got above 2%. All the debates that he was at the kids' tables. Not clear if this will have any impact on the nomination or the election. You know, what little support he got, it's going to go somewhere else, I imagine. But it's like, what little support he got. I mean, you do wonder who... He was the Duck Dynasty pick. The people from Duck Dynasty liked him. So he had that going for him. So we'll see who the Duck Dynasty guys... who they're going to vote for now. And that's all I really have to say about Bobby Jindal dropping out. Dun, dun, dun. Another one bites the dust.